Hey, what's up? PizzaLovingNerd here. Nintendo has shut down big ROM sites such as Emu Paradise and Love ROMs. And a while back, I did a video on where to download Nintendo ROMs in 2019. And it became my most viewed video I've made. However, there was an issue. After I made the video, one of the sites I featured added viruses after I made the video. So, because of that, I'm going to be updating the video with not 5, but actually 6 ROM sites in 2019. So, this is where you can download ROMs. These are the websites I'd go to if you're looking for ROMs. Let's get into the video. By the way, if you're interested in the old video, it will be linked in the description. So, the first ROM site is called Vims Lair, and this is a pretty cool ROM site, and it's got tons of stuff. So this is the home page, and you're going to want to click on the vault, and this is where all the games are. So you can select a console, like I'm going to do the Super Nintendo, and then right here we got all of the games, and it's even got ratings based on how good games are. So it's got gameplay ratings, and Super Mario RPG is number 1. Sound ratings in Super Mario RPG is 1, and graphics, which Super Mario RPG is 1. Anyway, so if you want to select a ROM, you just click on it, and then here it is. So you can either download it, which by hitting the download button, or you can play it online with Nextbox, although that does require Adobe Flash Player. Another cool thing about the site is it lists Game Genie codes, so that way, if you wanted to use, if you have a Game Genie or your emulator supports cheat codes or whatever, you got some codes here. The next site is called The Eye. So to download a ROM, you would go to Files, and yeah. So this doesn't have just ROMs, it has tons of other things too. However, what you're here for is the ROMs. So we would go to the.eu or the-i.eu/public/ROM, and here are all the ROMs. So it's got tons of consoles. I'm again going to go to SNES because that's my favorite console. And then you can even customize the layout a little bit if you want to. And you can also enable customization for world directories, which might slow it down, but whatever. But yeah, we got ROMs, so now if I want to download Super Mario World, I just head over to where it is. You can also hit Control F. And there we go. So now right here we got Super Mario All-Stars. You can just download it. And yeah. Another cool thing about this ROM site is it actually has modern ROMs such as 3DS and even Switch ROMs. So pretty cool. Although the Switch ROMs are torrents. Now I used to not recommend this site very much because of how slow the downloads were. But they have since... I think they upgraded their servers or something, because now the downloads are very fast. For our next site, we're doing download Romps De Io. So this sort of has the interface of your typical ROM site. So you would select your console. I'm going to do Super Nintendo. It has all of your ROMs right here, including some ROM hacks, which is interesting. So it's sorted by popularity. Now, then if you want to download a ROM, you click on it, and you can play it online. This one does have ads, by the way. But you can play games online, as you can see here, although it takes forever to load. But yeah, you just click download game, and then it downloads. You just need a CAPTCHA. The next one is called Edge Emu, or Edge Emulation. Now, the next site I'll be doing is called Edge Emulation. Now, this is good if you want a bunch of ROM hacks. However, it's not very good for individual ROMs, and I'll explain why. So you can pick something. I'm going to pick SNES, and then you choose your game. I'll do Mario Kart. However, the issue is it always adds a bunch of ROM hacks. I'm going to do Mario World. So when you click on it, it lists all of the ROM hacks. When you download it, it includes all of that stuff. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's pretty good. Retro Stick. Now this is another ROM site, obviously. So you would click the console. I'm going to do this one. And then we got all of our games. I'm going to do Mario World again. and then you can either play it online or hit download. So if you click download, it does make you wait a little bit, but then it will download it, so pretty nice. Now for the Rom Depot, this is my favorite ROM site. So yeah, now you do need to whitelist your IP, which it won't let me do because there we go. So you select the archive and it will list all of the consoles. So this is my favorite, the Rom Depot. You just click view the archive and it will list everything. And then you select your console, select the country, and then boom, all of the ROMs are here. And then you can also search for stuff. So I search Super Mario World, and there's also ROM hacks, but they're in a different zip file, fortunately. So then if I want it, I just click on it and it downloads. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you. Keep in mind that as of August 9th, 2019, none of these websites have viruses. However, if they have viruses in the future, that's not my fault. I will pin a comment saying they do have viruses.